Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show the recipe of this yummy ice cream mug cake. Prepare them along with your kids and have some fun time. We need around 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a cup of ice cream. Remember, this quantity is for 1 mug cake. Take a mug and fill it halfway through with any ice cream you like. Here I am taking vanilla ice cream and allow the ice cream to melt. So we get this consistency. I am going to add in around 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, or you can add how much of flour you want so that you get a thick little runny consistency of a batter. And finally, I'm going to add in the half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it completely throughout so that we get a cake batter consistency. And remember, the mug should be filled only 3/4. Add in some sprinkles for fun. This is optional. Mix them from bottom so that it is mixed properly. Next, I'm taking chocolate fudge ice cream, and the same way I'm filling the ice cream halfway of the mug, and once the ice cream is melted, I'm adding in 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and filling it 3/4 of the mug, and finally I'm adding in the half teaspoon of baking powder and mixing it well from the bottom, and we should not have any lumps, and I'm getting it to a cake batter consistency. Finally, I'm adding choco chunks or choco chips inside this chocolate flavored mug cakes and mixing it. First, I'm going to take the vanilla mug cake and keeping it in the microwave. The other one I will do it in the pan and allow this to cook for around 2 minutes. Once 2 minutes is done, our vanilla mug cake is ready. It's nice and airy and spongy. Check with the toothpick or a stick. It should come out clean. So our vanilla mug cake is ready. Next, I've taken a deep pan, added some salt, and you can place some idli cooker stand or some stand inside it and keep the mug on it and close it. I have preheated it before for around 5 minutes and allowing it to cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. You can keep checking in between. So insert a toothpick. It should come out clean and dry. Our mug cakes are ready. I'm serving them with 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream on top and having them warm. It's going to taste delicious and yummy. I've served vanilla ice cream with vanilla cake and some sprinkles on the top, chocolate ice cream with chocolate ice cream mug cake with vanilla ice cream and some butterscotch syrup. These are just optional. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.